Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Monday, April 2nd, 2012. For economic data, today we got ISM index at 53.4 and we're expecting 53. For construction spending, we got negative 1.1% and we're expecting 0.5%. For the markets, the S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1417.75 and a low of the day of 1399. We closed at 1412.5. Today's volume was 1.7 million contracts, in line with the 20-day moving average. For the Nasdaq, we saw a high of the day of 2783.75 and a low of the day of 2743.5. We closed at 2777. Today's volume was 210,000 contracts, a little lower than the 20-day moving average. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at 1,323. For the Nasdaq, advanced decline differential closed at 845. There were 46 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 2 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. For the volatility, there were 326,000 contracts traded today, and the total premium was 330,000. For April, dollar-weighted put-call ratio closed at 1.03, which is bullish with a 32% of the total premiums paid. For May, it closed at 1.38, which is bullish with the 53% of the total premiums paid. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. We had a good day today. We ended up around 5 handles higher at 1412.50. As you can see here, the CI diff continues to be red right now for the daily chart. We'll see what happens next here on the intraday chart. We're going to look at a 30-minute chart. As you can see here, this is the open. We sold off a little the open, but then quickly just turned around and started going higher the whole day, as you can see here. Then we basically got in a range, very tight range here, and at the end we sold off quite hard, around 5 handles from the highs. Here we have the daily chart for gold futures. As you can see, we have a little of an update, almost 0.5% higher, not much. We continue to look at the 1695 level as resistance and the 1635 level as some support. We need to break either level to get above those ranges that we've been tied up on the last couple of weeks. So we'll see what happens here. For silver daily, same thing, we were up today 1.5%, which is good, but we're still failing at the higher resistance at the 33 level. We haven't been able to break above it. The only good thing here, we've been seeing a couple of higher highs, higher lows, which is positive for the last couple of days, but still not much conviction to the upside or to the downside. For the VIX daily chart, you can see here we had a good day for the VIX, almost flat, but again we weren't able to cross the 20-day moving average and close above it. We've been seeing this for the last week, not able to cross above those levels. We'll have to continue to watch here the 20-day moving average right now, which is at 1594. We closed today at 1564, so very close, but still cannot close above the 20-day moving average on the VIX.